Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix Mailchimp emails in Outlook. So first, you need to log into your Outlook account, and then you also need to log into your Mailchimp account. And then we will use Mailchimp to create an email design. So from here, we will need to go to Campaigns, and then click on Create. And then from here, you just need to choose the specific design that you want to use. For this video, we will be designing an email. So let's click on Design Email. And then from here, you can go ahead and choose a template if you want, a basic layout if you want, or you can also create one from scratch. So I will create one from scratch right here. And then we can now go ahead and design our email. So previously on the older versions of Outlook, there are some problems when you create an email in Mailchimp. But now we don't have those problems anymore. But I will show you that there is still a problem when you create an email in Mailchimp, and then it will not look the same. It will not look the same in Outlook. And that specifically involves the button. So for example, I'll just design my Mailchimp email right here. I have the logo. I have an image right here. So for example, I'll just add this image. So it doesn't matter what size you use. You can choose the original, you can choose the fill, or you can choose the scale. So it will just look the same when you view it in Outlook. Click on Done. And then for the heading, for example, you have a heading right here. So it doesn't really matter what types of settings that you use for the heading. So it will just show correctly in Outlook as well. So for example, I'll just type test heading, and then you can choose a background if you want. So for example, I'll choose like a gray background. And then for the border, I can choose a solid border right here. And then let's go ahead and add a paragraph. So for example, I have like a test paragraph right here. Then I can go ahead and paste my paragraph right here. It will appear right here at the bottom. Then I can just edit the text. Like that, for example, and then next we will add a button. So for example, I'll add a rounded button right here with the fill option, and then I'll add a square button. Then we can just change the text to rounded button and square button, and then click on Done. And then I can go ahead and add a video as well. For example, I will add a YouTube video. Since you cannot add MP4 files right here, you need to use a video from YouTube or Vimeo. So I will add this video from YouTube, paste it right here, and then click on Done. And then that is basically the basic designs that you will use in Mailchimp. So now we will send this to our Outlook email so that we can see how it looks like. So just click on Send Test, and then send it to your Outlook email. So I'll just send it to my Outlook email right here. Click on OK. If you are using the upgraded version of Mailchimp, you can just click on Preview, go to Inbox, and select Microsoft Outlook from here. But since I'm using the free version, I don't have that option. So I'll just close this and then we'll go back to our Outlook and then open the test email right here. So here is our Mailchimp email. So as you can see, the logo is still correct, as well as for the image, as well as for this test heading right here with a background and a border. And then we also have this test paragraph right here, but we have a problem with the button. All of the other elements right here, as you can see, they are working as intended, but for the buttons, it has some problems. So this happens if your button doesn't have a link inside of it. So that's why you need to insert a link to your buttons right here. So for example, I'll make the link to youtube.com. You can just copy this, go back here, and then we have this one as well. And then we can now send a test again to see if it is now displayed correctly. Then we'll just wait for the test email to arrive. We can reload and then go back here. So now we have this test email, and now as you can see, the buttons are now correct. So if you don't insert any links to your buttons, it will look like this. But if you have a link, it will display correctly. And when you click on it, it will go to youtube.com, since that is the link that we have inserted. Then you can also view the video right here in YouTube. And then that's it. That is basically the only problem that we have when sending Mailchimp emails to Outlook. We just need to fix the link of our buttons. And then that's it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.